I hope there's no leeches. Man,
Nature, nature. Good morning. It was super sunny and hot, so we came to waterfall. But now it's a little bit cloudy, but we're still feeling hot and we want to swim.
not a little bit cloudy, proper cloudy. It's like really grey. When it was like driving, I was like, oh, okay, I think it's gonna get wet again. But it is rainy season, so it's expected.
Good luck to us.
Yeah, we just like pulled in to the waterfall called Manuaba waterfall. I think I've been here. I think you have to walk through the canyon to get in there.
Yes.
It's not a very swimming waterfall, but don't take my words. I think it's more like a walking one and like a walking one.
Okay.
But let's see. And then we got here and there's this man. I wasn't listening to him, to be honest. Not being rude, but I was just like organizing my stuff on motorbike.
He was just offering to buy fruits, coconut, or if we wanted a guide. But we don't have a lot of time here because we have to work.
Yeah.
And I don't think we need a guide. Do we?
I don't think we need a guide because like what would we talk about? Right? Like there's history maybe, but no, so basically we got water because like literally we don't drink water. Like you don't drink water at all.
I drink.
Proper prune. Raisin.
You drink more than me for sure. But I don't drink. I drank water this morning.
We have these like massive 10, 20
liters. I drank from that today. Did you?
No, just how?
I put on the cup and I drank it.
So it's like massive
Like 20-liter bottle of water, and they gave us a thingy to get water out of that, but it's not working anymore. I don't know if it ran out of battery. So now we have 1 glass of water per day at home.
It's like
But when I'm outside, I drink it.
yeah, it's like an electronic tap, but basically it's not working.
Yeah, tap.
We have to charge it, and we tried USB charging, but it didn't
not
work. So
now we're dry.
yeah, thank you. So we got our water.
Don't need this, it's okay. Thank
Yeah.
you. Yay.
Thank you.
First proper water of the day. Let's drink it all like we did.
Enjoy your water.
Cheers.
Cheers. Finally. But it's so green. Did you like the ride here? I loved it. I hate driving
So
through.
beautiful.
Hate driving through.
They're the
Ubud.
rice paddies.
Yeah, it was so beautiful.
I don't like the intersection. I was proper scared. People like
Which one? Near us.
near our house.
Mm.
Water gym. Yum yum yum.
It's nice and cold.
Yummy.
Yeah, I can hold it. Deal.
Construction
Yeah, construction. I wonder what they building.
resort.
For sure.
No, maybe I don't know. Temple, no. Resort. I would say resort.
I think there is enough of temples.
And enough for resorts.
Oh yeah. It's beautiful though. Look at the trees and stuff. So it's free entry to this one, because usually you do pay, no? So
Last waterfall we paid 40,000, right?
yeah, I think it was worth it because you could swim.
And so cheap as well.
Yeah, yeah. This one it's free, so maybe it's not good. You told me to choose, so I was like, okay, the first one that appeared on my map with a high rating though, because you get like on Google Maps, you know, when you type in like waterfall,
I have 10,000.
yeah, and then like there's rating as well on Google. So this one was what, 4.8.
4.8? Good.
So should be fine. I hope it's not gonna rain, because
You will go.
I have enough of wet
Right?
clothes.
Yesterday.
And like the clothes don't dry. They so did laundry today, collected laundry,
How
but
good is that laundry? It's so cheap and smells so good.
like 20k a kilo. But hello.
Halo, selamat siang.
Hello.
How are you?
Dari mana? Thailand.
Yeah, Brazil.
Belgia.
Yeah.
Oh, Belgia.
How do you understand?
Ya.
How do you understand?
I just assumed.
Do you reckon?
Yeah. We are maybe not talking about the same thing, but
Ah, waterfall.
we are right.
First one.
Beautiful.
It's beautiful here.
Oh, he's so tired. So hard to go down this.
No, he's doing something with his feet. He was doing something with his feet on the gravel. Yeah, and then I have already 2 kilos of laundry in my bag. Super stinky because yesterday we...
Drove in the rain for no reason because we couldn't make a decision. We were hungover and stupid. Trying to find a place to have a smoothie bowl and start raining. Instead of stopping the first restaurant we found, no, we kept driving trying to follow Google Maps.
It's super heavy rain, like super heavy.
Soaking wet. Yeah, it was fun though.
Yeah,
Because here it's warm. It's not like Europe that you freeze after rain.
yeah, and then
Always fresh.
when we found a place with a smoothie bowl,
The smoothie was horrible,
oh my god, it was expensive and horrible to be honest.
but the place was amazing.
Yeah,
And we did meet a DJ that might have found some parties for us.
in Ubud, techno
Yeah,
and house music,
which is
which is
great.
what we like. We have to pay for the waterfall, and we could have parked here,
Ah,
but we opted to a wall.
they had a sign.
Saying what?
Only residents can drive here. That's why
So
I
many
stopped
residents though.
there. Probably people
Not just
that
these
are
bikes,
working,
but-
no? Workers?
They're building a new resort as well. So we're going in. Actually, it's not free.
Beautiful.
Oh my god.
20k, it's like €1.
Oh my
So
god,
beautiful.
so lush. And bananas.
Get it?
I don't eat enough bananas in Bali.
Me too. I don't know why. I really want to eat more.
I find it quite difficult to find yellow bananas. If you see a shop with yellow bananas, you have to stop. Because all of them are like battered and green and or black. Oh my god, this is beautiful, yes. So green.
Look at the color, like really bright, right?
Yeah. And I can hear thunder. Thunder. Yeah, so it's 20k to get in here. And it's like a walk. It's not just a waterfall. He said half an hour, right?
For the whole thing. Like,
That's cool. There's like 2 waterfalls actually.
yes,
I have been here because I remember the canyon that you walk through.
beautiful. I love it.
Do you know what? This place will be really beautiful when it's sunny because when you're in that canyon, the like sun rays go through the trees and it's really magical. But
What can we do?
go and change the clouds.
Let me text.
Blow.
Let me text the sun.
Yeah. Oh my god, these leaves. It's already raining.
Good luck to us.
Huh?
Good luck to us.
Oh, the towers. It's so peaceful though.
Yes.
There was like millions of bikes parked
But I
here
think it's for. I hope it's not people inside.
for the workers.
Yeah. I hope so.
Wow. Oh my god, I love it. It's so lush. Amazon's like this, right? But thicker. It's super dark in here.
Yeah, because there is no sun. It's like really cloudy. Look at the river. Oh.
Oh, I can hear it. Oh my god, but it's beautiful. Reminds me of like Jurassic World.
Yes.
How much was the man's coconut? Because he was offering it.
I didn't ask.
Maybe 20k.
Beautiful here.
Yeah.
Let's play hide and seek.
But where would you hide? Like, I wouldn't go there.
Here.
In your white and pink bunny shirt.
Uh,
Yeah, it was super sunny because we got coffee
yes.
near our place, and then we were sitting in among the rice paddies, and it was super hot, super sunny.
I was really like sweaty, steamy. Even my knees were sweating. Hopefully it will rain for some time and then stop.
For 2 hours.
I hope so. Gonna get stuck here.
Was it yesterday that we were in Canggu?
Yeah.
Yeah. Feels like ages ago, doesn't it? So beautiful. It's getting darker. I can hear people. Yeah. Forest. Entry.
Wow.
It's so dark.
Like we are walking into the night. Oh.
It's a strong one. Are you gonna go swim? Why not? Why not? You can go swim there. Oh, there is some god. I don't know if it's raining or it's just a waterfall. It's nice. You could swim there if you are hot, but I'm not too hot.
I'm zero hot now. I wish I had a jumper. Should we do first picnic?
There. It's so wet.
So dark.
Yes. Oh my god, it's so dark. Picnic time and I can't even see you.
I'm here.
It's so dark, like, it's super dark. Beautiful though. Dragonish, picklish, baked potato and mushroom.
Yummy!
Where are we?
So we are hiding under trees because it's raining a lot.
The rain is strong, but we are hiding. We've got a good hiding spot. Do you like it?
Not really, no.
So, half an hour later, we got stuck in the under the cave in the rain.
We start to
Like here.
exercise.
Oh. So it's still raining, but we're gonna move on. That's beautiful.
We already danced in the rain. We did a little bit of exercise.
Little bit, we did about
60 squats.
60.
Yeah.
Ah, nice.
And 100 jump jacks.
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay, let's go. It's still raining a bit, but we're gonna go. Oh yeah, take off that shit. So powerful. Let's go. Ah, it's magical. So beautiful. Ah. It's still raining, but let's explore. I just hope GoPro will survive this because it's not waterproof. Oh my god. Oh my god. So grunt. So grunt. Oh, be careful.
It's slippery, right?
Yeah. Gonna have wet money, wet everything. But I see a slither of blue there.
Looking for the... Looking... Ow!
What?
The plane slapped me in the face.
It's so beautiful. What's that sound? Oh my god, I love it. Oh, there is a house. What? Ah, I love it. Ah, blue. What is that sound? Is that an insect?
Yeah.
Oh my god, sounds like a chainsaw, but so strong. Imagine like living here and you have to hear this all day.
I like it.
I like it actually, yeah.
It's like a white noise.
Yeah. Not bad. Someone's house. But this waterfall's beautiful walk, like literally
Yeah.
beautiful walk. Even like rice paddies that are flooded. Wow, this house, imagine like living here. Can hear people.
Yes.
This is stunning.
I love all the trees.
So like green and lush,
Yes.
yeah. What's your favorite tree, Yasmin?
I really like the banana tree.
Yeah, it's one of my favorites.
And palm leaves. Palm leaves, what?
What palm
I
leaves?
don't know what I'm talking about. I'm still didn't recover from
Can
the
you see?
alcohol. No.
Can you not see?
I turn it
Oh.
obstacles. Let me try to dry a bit more with the towel.
Get the towel. Yasmin's glasses are foggy. So what happened with the visa? What did I say? So Yasmin,
okay,
visa is running out in 3 days, 4 days.
4 days, and our friend took a while to get her visa approved. So I just found I found an agency to help me get my visa sorted. So I paid extra, obviously, and they're gonna get my visa done.
Yeah.
So I have 1 more month here. Yay!
And we are just thinking where to go next because
Yes.
the room's finishing in Ubud. And we were gonna go to Ahmed
Yeah,
by the sea.
let's talk and walk
Yeah.
before it starts raining again.
Yeah. We were gonna go to Ahmed, but the
So we have-
bus is the same price as taxi, and I've lost a job, so
We are trying to be a little bit more on a budget now.
yeah. Oh, beautiful way! Oh my God! And blue, come back, and the river.
Swim
Yeah,
for £1 million
for £1 million.
to swim there.
In that, I would do it for £200, even for £50. Would you?
I would do it for 2 meals.
Indonesian rupees, you mean? Yeah. What I was saying? Oh yeah, we were gonna go to Ahmed, but it's a bit far, like 2 hours drive. So
I'm
Gonna-
have to come back because my birthday is next week.
yeah.
And we have a big villa waiting for us in Giliti.
Oh wow, so beautiful. Yeah. So might go to Sidaman. Let's see. Depends where it's good to go. Like not far from Ubud. Uluwatu is an option as well, but it's also 2.5 hours away. I love it, love it, love it, love it. I can hear the waterfall.
Yes.
Oh my, can you go first?
No.
The blue!
Let's just stay
Blue
here.
and I'm feeling it. You can go first, please.
I'm scared you. Ah!
Okay. Oh, yeah, he just fell down.
Oh my god!
Can I see?
Oh,
Oh wow!
my shoe!
Oh,
Ow.
does it hurt? Did you hurt anything?
I hit. Oh my god!
Oh my God!
I don't like it.
You watch yourself?
Oh my god! And I'm really scared of going there. It's slippery.
So we have to cross the river to continue the hike, and it's scary to say the least. There. Wow. Oh my God. This is scary. Beautiful. Well, I've done this before.
Oh my god! Ah! Ah!
No, I've done this before. I mean, now it's just straight after rain, so obviously
Oh my
the water's deeper, but
This is a real adventure. I was not
I'm
ready.
scared. I want a guide. Can you go first? Yasmin! I can see exit though. Oh my god, this is like now waist deep. Go first, go first, please. Oh my god, beautiful though.
But
You can wash it. Stick.
stop it!
I just thought it was a snake. I hope there's no leeches.
Stop
I'm really scared. Oh no. Is this what we heard? Like people shouting? I think so. I have a like proper stick in my shoes. Is it deep?
No!
It's like where branches. The stick, no? I don't like it. Beautiful though.
Oh wow! It really is beautiful. I guess if it wasn't raining, it would be really, really shallow.
Yeah, and clear because I remember like going under the waterfall there and walking here. I'll show you my old pictures from 2 years ago. But I came in April. So the exit, and there's more waterfalls. What's there? It's warm. Ah! No! Yasmin, take it! Ah!
Oh my god! I didn't like the warm part.
No. The warm part stank like sewage as well, no?
Sewage!
Oh, it's beautiful, but we made it.
Oh my god, can't believe it. Ah!
This was
So I never let you choose waterfall again, Tom.
it was good. We survived. Let's go. So much. No, it was natural.
My butt's too hard.
That's it.
I need kisses.
Your tailbone. Is it?
No, but not a butt.
Okay. So beautiful though. Beautiful. Okay. We made it out alive. Thank the gods. What is this? Changing rooms. Nice. It was really scary, but like I knew it was shallow. Like if I wasn't here before, I wouldn't go.
I wouldn't go as well if you were not here before.
Yeah, because I remember it's like really shallow. And so I was like, oh, okay, I'm just gonna walk because I know it's shallow. But if I wasn't here before, I would not go.
It's scary because you cannot see anything. And there's so many branches and like everything. Nature.
Oh, they have a cafe. So pretty. Look at this one. Isn't it so fun? I'm hungry. I think we should go eat.
I think I need to shower.
You wanna go home and eat, or eat first and then go home?
Let's think about it. Eita porra!
I would go eat somewhere here in the rice paddies, no? Nice warung.
I'm so thirsty though. Cannot see it. Can you see?
What?
There I'm
People just, yeah.
Can you see?
Yeah. No. Oh yeah. But why don't you just wash like just with like a hand? I can do it for you. Yeah. Oh, use this. Washing.
Once we were in Carnival, and there was this big hill, and the woman was peeing from the top, and she just went sliding down and fell on top of my friend.
With the thingy out.
She was super dirty and like hugged my friend, full of mud, and my friend had white shorts. We literally had just arrived in Carnival.
Oh my god.
She wanted to cry.
But there is like beautiful cafe at the end of the thing. It's just beautiful location, absolutely stunning. Okay,
Enough
show
of
me if you are
adventure.
clean. Yeah. You are, look. Nice and clean. Lots of padding. Excellent.
I wasn't prepared for adventure today.
I wasn't prepared, but it was fun.
It was really, really fun. I love it.
Can we walk a bit here to see? So beautiful.
Oh, look at the kids.
Hello. Love it.
Oh my god, that was the best part of the video.
Oh my god, the rice paddies are stunning.
Salamat siang. Padi, salamat padi no.
Oh my god. Stunning.
Beautiful.
And even the sky.
Wow.
Yasmin taking pickies. Oh my god, this. Oh. Actually, this waterfall is just so beautiful. The surroundings, then the waterfall, but it's like just a great, like 2 hours here, no? 1 hour. I think you could do it in half an hour if it was dry, but obviously we got stuck under the cave. Look at the paddies there. I think Sideman is like this, you know?
Oh my goodness, so beautiful.
Honestly, like Bali is like one of the most beautiful places in the world. It's just so green. It's just scary how much they're building everywhere.
Wow, Tom, look
Come
at
follow me. We can go there on the end.
You can?
Yeah, I did a rice paddy hike on my first visit.
I love the kids.
You love what?
The kids, they're so bad.
So green. It doesn't go to the end, just here. No. Oh, there's fish in there. Wow. Just beautiful, 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 beautiful.
Sometimes I cannot believe I'm here because I've seen all of this online in pictures in Instagram, etc. And you know when you're like, another dream coming true.
Yeah, yeah. But it's unreal. So decided to walk a bit and there's just volcano on the horizon.
So stunning.
It's so magical here. The volcano's so perfect, it's like a cone shape. Oh my god. It looks like a film set.
It really does. Everywhere you go here, it's like someone planned this because everything is so perfectly put together.
Yeah.
And the colors, this green. I think I've only seen green, this green in Ireland. Like Ireland is really green like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, like bright, you know?
Oh yeah.